Welcome. If ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then find the value of tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan D by 2. First, write the expression whose value is to be found out, that is tan A by 2. Here A is the angle A. That means angle A is simply written capital letter A into tan P by 2 plus tan B by 2 tan C by 2. To get the value, we have to relate AC, BD or ABCD such that we get numerical value. For that, we have to use the geometrical property. There is a geometrical property of a cyclic quadrilateral, that is, in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree, or the opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore, from the property of the geometry, from the property of cyclic quadrilateral, that the sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Therefore, we must write or may write A plus C, that is equal to 180 degree, as the angle A and C are opposite angles of this cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Similarly, writing here B plus D equal to 180 degree. So we are having two equations involving A and C and B and D. But in our question, or the expression involving A by 2, C by 2, writing here A plus C by 2 equal to 180 degree by 2. Here writing plus D by 2. Here writing 180 degree by 2. Here writing within square bracket, dividing the equations by 2. Dividing the equations by 2. Now these two can be reduced. A by 2 plus C by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. First do this side. From this equation, we may find tan A by 2 is equal to A by 2. First do this 90 degree minus C by 2. Operating both sides, tan. That means it is reduced tan A by 2, that is equal to tan 90 degree minus C by 2. There is a formula in complementary angle that tan 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. So tan A by 2, according to this formula, this is equal to cot C by 2, or tan a by 2 that is equal to 1 by tan c by 2 as tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by, or multiply tan a by 2 into tan c by 2, a by 2 into tan c by 2 that is equal to 1. Similarly, from the equation b plus d by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. Similarly, b plus d by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. Following the similar process, following the process done for a plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2 have tan d by 2 into tan d by 2 that is 1. Now the given expression is tan a by 2 tan d by 2 plus by 2 tan d by 2 that is equal to, here we may write, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, 1 plus 1, here writing using equations 1 and 2, using equations 1 and 2, 1 plus 1 2. Therefore, the required value of is equal to 2. Thank you for watching.